Hey all of you. So today what we have here, we are going to talk about HDMI splitter or switcher, right? So this is what I got today, and this is ordered from Amazon, right? So this is the packaging from Amazon. So let us go ahead and unbox this, right? So let us see what we have here. Okay, so I have already opened this packaging. So this is what we have inside. So this is the HDMI. So this is 3-in-1 HDMI switcher, right? So we can use 3 different devices, connected to one HDMI port of your television, right? So this is what the box is, right? So the costing, so this one says its MRP is 3,000, but in Amazon, so I think there was some kind of a discount, so I think almost 70-75% discount. So I got this at 745 rupees. Yes, I think it's a good deal. So let us go ahead and open this, right? So let us open this. What do we have inside? One moment, guys. I think this has to be opened. Let's see. Okay, so this is what we have. Let us see if we have anything else inside. So this is the details about this cable. So of course, right, so it has a 1-year warranty on parts and labor, and of course it's a 4K, right? Okay, so let us go ahead and show you this. So this is what it is, right? Okay, so this is it. So we have the cable and 3 HDMI port, right? And most of these devices do not come with a cable, which is this, right? It has to be bought separately, but this one comes with this, right? Comes with, that's the reason I purchased this. It had good reviews in Amazon as well. So this is what goes to your television, the HDMI port, and this is the splitter. So you can connect 3 devices to this, right? Mostly, I mean, because the main reason I bought this is because to connect my PlayStation, my PS4, right? So you can connect your PlayStation, you can connect your projector, your other gaming or whatever it is, right? So it can be used with a single point out of your TV. So this is always beneficial also, because you don't have to every time remove your cable or your HD or your the Tata Sky or whatever it is, whatever you're using. You don't have to remove that every time and connect your PlayStation HDMI wire to it, right? So just have to keep this connected always, and you can have your cable, your Tata Sky, your PlayStation, your projector also pinned in. So this has even 3 lights to indicate which one is working currently, and if it does not display, we also have this, right, button here, right? So this is it, guys. This is the unboxing video of HDMI splitter or switcher. Thank you so much. Bye bye.